Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imran Wahab. In this video, I will present my IOT mini project, which is Smart Locker Box. So, what is a Smart Locker Box? Smart Locker Box is box that allow user to keep or store their stuff and perform lock and unlock box without using a standard key. So, in this project, I will develop a locker box that can open and close using a smartphone. So the problem statement first is traditional locker box use key to perform a lock and unlock box. Next is sometimes user forgot to lock back their box. And next is potential loss or forgot where we keep the key. Last is potential to thief make a copy of key and access the box. Next is my objectives for my project is first to develop a mobile application that can control the locker box based on the use of Internet of Things. Second is to construct lock and unlock operations on a locker box when it receives such instruction from authorized device. Lastly is to alert the user by sounds and alarm when lock and unlock the locker box. So how it operate in this project, I'm going to build a locker box with biometrics lock using Arduino Uno with Bluetooth module, solenoid light and Android phone. Apart from hardware, a mobile application is also used to scan and verify the fingerprint and send the confirmation ID to Arduino through Bluetooth. I will use smartphone fingerprint sensor to lock and unlock the locker box. So this is my circuit design. The software that I use to create this circuit is using Tinkercad. So there are some components that not the same as the actual component that I use. So as you can see, I use actually 12 volt power supply, and this represent as single channel 5 volt relay. And DC motor is actually represent as solenoid light, and 2 LED which is green and light, 3 resistor, 1 buzzer, 1 Arduino Uno, 1 Bluetooth module, and then the jumper wire to connect to the Arduino Uno. This is my code that I already upload into my Arduino Uno. So first we need to declare the variable, the value 1 variable to hold the data received from the Bluetooth, and then we need to define a pin for relay, buzzer, red LED and green LED. In the setup function, I use serial communication with a baud rate of 9600, and then I set the pin mode for relay, buzzer, LED red and LED green as an output, and then I turn on relay and turn on red LED. So by default, when I turn on the smart board, it means the board is locked and the LED red will turn on. So next is loop function. So in this loop function, you need to check for the availability of the data from Bluetooth module. If data is available, then read the data and store it in variable. So I use if statement to compare it and see if it is 1 or 0. So if value 1 is 1, then the relay will low and delay for wait for 0.1 second. Red LED also low, and then green LED will turn on, and then the buzzer also turn on, and wait for 1 second. The buzzer will off, and then if the value 1 is 0, the relay will hide. It means it will lock again. Then in this for loop function, I'll make it the buzzer will beat 4 times and delay for 0.1 second. The buzzer will off, and then after that delay for 0.1 second, green LED will turn off and the red LED will turn on again. First we need connect to the Bluetooth. If the fingerprint is not authentic, the local box will remain locked, and also the red LED will turn on and the buzzer will turn on. If the fingerprint is authentic, then the LED will turn into the green and the buzzer also will turn on. If we want to lock the local box again, then just tap another fingerprint. The buzzer will beep 4 times and the red LED will turn on again.